And today we're in the market. We're streaming live in the market. Just look at one. Today is the last day of this fasting that we're making. The Muslims. I'm not a Muslim, but today is the day that let's say so today is the last day. So that's my sister. Um Well, so today is the last day of the Muslims. Today is the last day, so we're gonna stream live in the market. Okay, yeah. So what we have to do is I just feel like streaming live today, so you guys are going to enjoy this video. Okay, yeah. And right after here, we're gonna eat. And I want to show my face today, so maybe it's going to be possible to show my face today. Maybe it's not also going to be possible. Yeah. So we're streaming live. We're streaming live, okay? We're streaming live. Yeah. Very, 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 very important. Okay. So that's my sister. That's my sister. I don't know. I don't know whether you guys saw my sister. But she's not my biological sister. So guys, do you want me to eat right now, or do you want me to stream outside the street in the market? Today is the last day, so I feel like streaming. I'm happy to stream, bro. I'm happy to stream. And if you are also happy, please tap on the subscribe button to support me. If you are really, really happy stream, just tap on the subscribe button to support me, okay? And don't forget to give a like button, okay? Like the video and share the video with your friends. If you have any question, just drop it in the like button, in the comment section, bro. Okay, so guys, let's continue. That's just by the way. So this market is one of the biggest African markets and one of the cheapest African markets in Africa, and it's located in Accra, which is in Ghana. Yeah, we are in Ghana, right? Which one? Full one. Nana. Okay. Huh. Okay, so let me give a change. So this is 10 Ghana cedis, this is 7 cedis, 50 pesos. So I'm gonna give it to like 3 cedis, 50 pesos. Are they? Are they Bonnie Young? Woo! She's afraid. She's afraid of the camera, bro. So take this one. This one is one, and we're gonna give you additional this for free. Take the change. Wait. Oh, you want food? The money is not up to. How can you take all these? Okay, so you take half of it, okay? Okay, so I think it's cool. Hey, come, yo. No. This one I have to divide this because it's plenty. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, you like this one, Besha? This one and this one. Which one do you want? Wait, open the. Okay. Oh, this girl is very bad. She want the one that is fake, bro. I'm coming. No, so you guys can see, bro. Okay. Whoa. So, do you want me to show my face today? Guys, let me know. Do you want me to show my face today? If you want me to show my face today, then I'm going to be happy to show my face